Hi everyone, this is Vidya from Suvaimanam. Today I am going to show you how to roast a whole chicken along with veggies. This recipe gives you juicy chicken with crispy skin, making it perfect for dinner any day, and this is going to be our Easter special recipe. And let's get started. You can find the ingredients in the description box. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. First let's clean the chicken well, both from inside and out. Then let's pat the chicken dry with kitchen towel to remove the excess moisture, as this step is very important to get crispy skin. Placing the breast side up, we are going to make patch between the skin and the breast using hands. Do this with extra care and do not tear the skin apart. We will be stuffing masala inside later on. Sprinkle pepper powder and some salt on all the sides of the chicken, both inside and out. This is salt. Now let's rub them over all the corners, under the skin and everywhere. Next we are going to make masala for the chicken. Mix 1 teaspoon of paprika with half teaspoon of dried rosemary, half teaspoon of dried thyme, half teaspoon of dried oregano, needed salt with 25 grams of melted butter. You can use around 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt. In case if you don't have dried rosemary, thyme, oregano, replace them with mixed Italian herbs. Now rub the masala and coat the chicken well, both inside and out and also under the skin. Make sure you are not leaving any space. Now I am going to place 2 butter pieces, 15 grams each, on both the sides of the breast under the skin. This is going to give crispy skin. Let's place half lemon inside the chicken. And 1 big or 2 normal sprigs of fresh rosemary. This is going to give excellent aroma. Then tie the chicken with a thread. See how I am doing it. This is going to help the chicken to maintain the shape after it is roasted. Now we are going to transfer the chicken to a glass dish with breast side up. I have sliced a whole garlic into 2 with skin on, and I am going to place it by the side of the chicken. 2 carrots slit lengthwise. 5 to 6 baby potatoes cut into half or into 4 pieces. And 1 medium sized onion cut into 4 pieces. These are the veggies I have used for this recipe. Now place the chicken along with veggies in the preheated oven and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes. My oven took exactly 60 minutes. Once out from the oven, the chicken is roasted well. The outer skin is very crispy. The chicken is very hot, so let it stand in the glass dish for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer the chicken to a plate. You can use 2 spatulas to transfer it more comfortably. Then remove the thread we tied over the chicken before. Take the lemon out. I removed the skin from the garlic and I moved all the veggies to a plate. We are going to use the leftover liquid to prepare a thick sauce for chicken, so don't throw it out. Heat little butter in a pan. Add half tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mix it along with butter. Then add the leftover liquid, mix it well, keep on stirring and wait for the sauce to get thick. Make sure there are no lumps. Our sauce is ready. Switch off the flame now. Now it's time to taste the chicken. So let's cut the chicken into pieces. Using sharp knife makes everything quite easy. The chicken is juicy and the sauce we prepared increases the taste of the dish. Serve the chicken with sauce and roasted veggies and enjoy. If you like this recipe, try it at home and share the recipe with your friends and family. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye.